Hey guys, can you hear me? Somebody let me know if you can hear me, guys. Hello traders, Lloyd Ray with HotDownCrypto.com, your #1 source for cryptocurrency technical analysis and blockchain education. In this live stream, we got episode 48. No, yeah, 48 of Crypto and Chill. So thanks for being here. Bitcoin, bear pole, bear flag. The sellers can't bring the price down, but the buyers can't either. It's a stalemate. We got something going on. Multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times this area. We're just not able to push the price down further. But we'll see what happens, guys. So let's get it going. So guys, just please forgive me for that technical difficulty. Got a new piece of equipment in this evening, or today. So it's just been kind of crazy with that, and that definitely correlated with what just happened with the technical problems with the audio and visual. So thanks guys for understanding. Really do appreciate y'all being here again. Hope you're having a happy, what is it? Happy Tuesday. TGI Tuesday. No one's ever said that ever. Okay, so 48, Crypto and Chill. Sorry guys, I've been behind. We've been working on the Patreon, trade stuff, static videos, one-on-ones. It's just been going, man. So here we are. We're going to keep going for you. Let's take a look at chat real quick. Sorry about that, guys. It's been crazy, man. All right, so Keebs was first. What's up, Rat Lab? Keebs, Mike, Donovan, XVG, ONT. Not much TA on ONT. It's gone to outer space, man. It's gone interstellar. Matthew McConaughey, Jesus, man. Michael wants BRD, BlackRock Depths, right? Warcraft, Keba, Nebel. Dang, Michael. I'm not going to be able to do any requests via, we'll see. What's up, Driz and Jonathan and Maximiliano and Garcia? GXS. Just writing down the requests, guys. That's how we do it. Let me, oh my god, man. I'm so tired of this. I need a macro where I can just, every freaking time, just hit a button and make this not be crap. Reset it. Unbelievable, man. XVG talk. Out the yin yang. Scrolling, guys. Scrolling. Thanks for all the yeses. My god. Going back in time. Zuckerberg hacked my page, man. He's got his own things to worry about. Good evening. Colby. Crypto Farmer. Photo Life. L Fox. Josh. What's up, man? Looking for ADA? Let's take a look at ADA. Sure, man. XLM for Photo Life. Heck yeah. XLM's on the list. B&B for Kevin. Hope you're doing well, man. DGD is on the list. Digimon Coin. Donovan. BLZ for Mike. We looked at that earlier. PLZ, just kidding. RLC. Hey, we made it to the bottom of the chat, guys. RLC for Jampa from Miami. Yep, ADA. Got it on there, man. Wamino Viking, because, man, that doesn't count. We have to hit 3,000 on our other one. It doesn't even matter on this one. This is like, because it could be considered a lot. Like, most people that are subbed over there are subbed here, so it doesn't even count, right? So, well, the music's probably pretty loud, isn't it, guys? Turn it down a little bit. I don't even know anymore. I'm guessing completely at this point. Al, what's up, Al? OMG for you, dude. Yeah. Zim, what's up, Cayenne? Hey, by the way, mission controls. Make sure we get those. Oh wait. Let me. Where was this? Someone pledged the Patreon. Yeah, hey, Colin, thanks so much for the Patreon pledge, guys. Hey, if you don't know, if you're new, we started a Patreon, trade setups, all kinds of crazy stuff, man. We're about to post a link on the chat, so take a look at it. Something you might want to take advantage of. We have really good trade setups that soon we're doing the text alerts, but for now we just have the page where you know, you'll know about it. Okay. Great trade setups we've already gotten down. Neo already hit target the second round of buying. It's wonderful already. Hey, Guy and Marco, man. Thanks so much for the 100 bits, man. You just dude. Thanks, dude. Kicking it off. Thanks, brother. Driz T says, loving the Patreon. Yeah, man. There's no joking about it, dude. Trade setups, you learn a lot. So, look. There's multiple things to think about here. You're triple topping on the 4 hour. You're just unable to break this level. And what could very well be going on? Look, I think this is a 50% retrace on the dime, right? On the dot. All right, let's check it out. Because guys, remember, crypto. No, is it? Let's see. Talking about retraces. Oh, look at that. 50% on the dot, guys. Remember, flip this over. Look how beautiful this would look as a bull pole, right? It'd be so beautiful if we flip this thing upside down, but no, it's not. It's the other way around. So this would be the best opportunity to buy if you were flipping this chart around. Let me emphasize that. We're not talking about right now, okay? So just keep in mind, bear market, bear pole, bear flag. Yeah, man. Starting to get froggy. You're really developed through here. This is like a day now. More than a day. So just be expecting a move at some point to the upside or downside. And why I say maybe the upside is just because we're having some serious issues finding sellers. You know, we bottomed out here, and now when we broke down, we were supposed to just consolidate for a little bit, then break down. We're just not giving up. And if you look left, multiple times we kept breaking, trying to find this bottom, But we just have not been able to get there yet. There just haven't been the sellers to get us to this level yet. 6,000, 5,900. Okay, so just keep your eye on it. I mean, it looked to me very bearish. Beautiful textbook, but you never know. You stay in these long enough, you keep attempting to push the price down. Don't do it. You can contradict the TA. So we'll see what happens though. 50% retrace. That's as far as we've gotten. That's very common in retracements. Okay, we could even run up to the 618 if we wanted to. But if you start getting beyond the 618, that's when it starts getting a little sketchy for the bears. Right? So you still have some room you could run as a bull in this situation before you start getting bullish. Right? Because this is still very much bearish. Again, until the 618 surpass and you start running up to the 886 100% retrace. But then at that point, you might be exhausted. You might double top up here and then tank. But we'll see. Just remember, the overall trend is your friend. So be on the side of the trend, which is bearish right now. Okay? That's it. Let's go to Litecoin. Can y'all hear the music? Let me know, guys. What's up, Barack? Doing well. How are you doing, man? Music and sub too low. Dang it, man. I don't know anymore. Like, it looks like it's really loud on my little desktop audio. But, I just... See, now it's like probably too loud. I don't know, man. I have no idea anymore. So, anyway... Man, Jules Santana, thanks so much for that 1,500 bits, man. Dude, you Jesus, dude. You're a real Jesus, dude. Thanks, brother, man. Really means a lot, dude. And just let me know how those trade setups work for you, brother, man. Oh my God. Sorry, we've been having technical difficulties over and over and over. You get a new piece of equipment and then everything just goes to complete crap. So, you know, guys, it's whatever. Unbelievable. Hey, Barack, thanks, man, for that 100 bits, man. Fail fish, yep. That's it, Barack. We got fail fishes all over the place. Thanks again for that 100 bits. Hey guys, if y'all checking on Nia, that was insane, that run. But yeah, I don't know, man. I'm trying to get Mission Control to help, I guess, because they're the ones saying that it's an issue. So same volume as before, but don't bother. At least your voice volume is perfect. Yeah, but people are saying that there's echoing, or they can. Hello? Jesus Christ, man. Okay, so Litecoin still in a bearish pattern right now, right? Just like Bitcoin. Below the 50 on the RSI. And yeah, just getting. Yeah, we're having to turn down the audio because yeah.
Winter here is ruthless.
So we looked at you know, ADA, and that lightning analysis might be you know, ascending triangle trend reversal overall. Something's too loud. Something's too loud. WTF? Yep, we got Mission Control in here trying to No. It's okay, Chris. We know what we're doing right now. So I don't really know. It's all good, man. Don't worry about it. XRP, want that on the list, man? Sure, we can do that, dude. Okay, looks like we're done. Is the volume okay, guys? My God, most obnoxious stuff, man. So there's technical analysis and there's technical difficulties. And Litecoin might be having those technical difficulties. But just like Bitcoin, you're unable to break these lower lows, right? You're just staying up here. So again, I think it's like, you know, it's the Forrest Gump meme, right? He's running the marathon and all those people are behind him waiting for him. What moves he gonna make next? That's Bitcoin, man. That is Bitcoin. So I'm good. Everything good now? All right, man. Thanks, Rory, for the update, dude. Appreciate it a lot. Thanks, guys, for all the support and the kind words. Y'all are the Jesuses, man. All y'all. 88, please. Oh yeah. That's right, John. Learn every day, man. Guys, you need to be writing down, if you want TA, you want to be the masters of the TA, write down something new that you didn't know, learn it, read it over and over and over, and then the next day, when the next day rolls around, go back and learn something new, but then go back to that same place you wrote down the other thing you learned the day before, reiterate that, read that over and over and over, and then write the new thing you learned, so you never forget, and just keep that going. That's how I started learning candlestick patterns. Just learn 1 or 2 a day. Just memorize them. And then it becomes a lot. I don't know. I had a lot of fun with it. It just depends on if you want to learn the TA or not. If you truly want to. Bearish, but unable to break to lower prices. But if we don't find buyers soon, you know how these patterns play out. They can extend on for some time, and then boom, it happens. And here's the thing. You know, right now, 11 Eastern, 11:20 Eastern. I mean, give it a couple more hours. What it'll be, the afternoon in Asia, and then we'll start seeing a move maybe. And then like 4 to 5 hours, you'll 4 to 5 hours, you'll see Europe wake up. Hey, Barack, man, thanks for the 400 bits, man. Really appreciate that. That makes 500 bits total so far. But Jules Santana in the lead with 1,500 bits. Barack with 500. Cayenne Marco with 100 bits. Thanks, guys, so much for the contributions. And Colin again with the pledge, the Patreon pledge. Thanks, man. Couldn't do it without you. Wouldn't do it without you guys. Y'all are Jesus, man. So be careful here. Really careful. Ethereum. Then we'll start moving into the coin requests, guys, okay? Ooh, hey. Guys, hit target. Look at that, man. We hit target, right? Entry, position. See if it plays out. You shorted here, right? Close position down here. Stop loss here. See if it happens, man. That'd be nice. It'd be really nice with Ethereum. Shorting. But we'll see what happens. Hey, you're above the 50, but ooh, guys, see here. Yeah, you can see it right there. Yep. Bearish divergence, right? So you made a high here, then you made a higher high. Technically, your candle closes were higher than your previous high. Substantially lower levels of positive momentum. Bearish, very bearish. The divergence, class A. And so now we broke down, we've run back up, double top, no more energy, no more power. So great area to short. And if you get stopped out, it doesn't matter. You don't lose anything. You lose barely anything. Such a low risk, such a high reward opportunity. You're in a bear market, and you're at the top of critical levels of resistance multiple times now. Just saying, even if it keeps going and you get stopped out, it doesn't matter. You made an incredible decision. I think it was very rational for you to go short up at this position based on history, based on the trend, disgusting, nasty trend we're in. If the bottom's here, so be it. You get stopped out, it's over, and then we go to the moon, man. Who cares? But that's the whole point of trading. You make the right decisions, and if it fails, it's not because you're bad. It's just because things just didn't work out. But if you keep doing the right thing, having a trading plan, you'll make money. I'm telling you guys. So that's Ethereum. Let's go to a XVG. Verge. Oh God. Verge, the golden cross, man. So it began with a golden cross. Unreal. Hey, okay. Finally cooling down a little bit. Alright. For how long, though? Well, John, be careful with the word shill. If you look it up in the dictionary, it means you're pushing and peddling a scheme or a scam. You know, this is all TA. This is all pure. There's no emotion in this, and there's no pumpy pump in this. This is all. You leave the emotion at the door here. Okay, so you can't fake it. With what I do, you cannot fake it. And you can ask anyone that's done a one-on-one with me. You can't fake what I do. So, I mean, I guess you can, but one-on-ones, education, stuff like that, I don't know if that would work out really well. So it looks like a pennant or a triangle or something, right? 2 reaction highs, 2 reaction lows. Ooh, be careful here. You go either way, but obviously it's bullish leaning, but don't bank on it, okay? You've run two tremendously high levels. You had that bearish divergence, right? Duh. Hey, Colby, man, thanks so much for that 469, dude. Kappa. Colby gets it, man. Thanks, brother. We can do that. You get a question about TSM in the chat in the Discord, man. Thanks so much, Colby. UG's, man. Sweet, man. You know, Colby's dad's a day trader, I think. It's pretty crazy. Pretty awesome. So, what's next? If you can break to the upside, okay, we'll talk about it. But, I mean, you can just do a measured move if that's like your best way. But you know you're going to quintuple that if you break to the upside. My God. 200 sats. Okay, it's nothing, right? We say nothing, but, you know, we were down like sub 400 sats like a month ago. Now we're saying 200 sats is nothing. You remember when Verge fans would kill for 200 sats, and now it's just a joke, little measured move. Ha! There you go, man. There's your little measured move, dude. Let's just move. Let's move this old measured move. We'll just use that. 1105, 1492. Let's delete this. We're not gonna miss it, guys. We have an alert set up. Okay. There you go, right around there, that area. But if you break down, same thing, measure move down. We know how to measure it. You're going to skate down to that level, okay? So let's look left real quick. We just talked about the area, the forest of resistance that we have, right? I think we hit this level. No, this is the measured move. Ooh, the measured move is our 3rd highest high ever. We're approaching it, guys. Can you believe this? Got the 3 right here. Hey, does anyone remember this night? Was anyone like paying attention to Verge like New Year's Eve, like midnight? Does anyone remember? And they were like, they delayed on Wraith Protocol, and then by an hour, and because it was delayed by an hour, this happened. This kind of crap, like this just tanked this first thing, right? This first candle right here. So crazy, man. So anyway, we're getting there, guys. We are getting there, and it all started with the golden cross right here. You heard it here. HypedOnCrypto.com. This live stream, Crypto and Chill. You got it. We're going to take care of you guys. That's Verge. We'll see if we can hit 1498, the measured move from that symmetrical triangle. Maybe we'll get there. But if you break down, just expect the measured move down. ONT? Oh, God. Another one where it's just like, TA, what's that? TA, capitulation. Just kept going, man. It's beautiful. Freaking beautiful. Of course, you got some form of, wow, barely. You still got it. You got your bearish divergence, strongest form, Class A, duh. We all could guess that. You don't have to look at the histogram to know that you probably got that. 74 RSI right now on the 4 hour. It's crazy, man. Freaking crazy. I just don't I don't understand, man. I mean, I do, obviously. Look, we talked about this being a very, very wonderful trade setup. Brendan, remember? We were up here. We said this is where you buy on your ascending triangles. Okay, beautiful. And from there, the rule of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 4 was it. The ascending triangle. See you buy. Measured move. 41789. Hit it easy. 1272. Hit it easy. Our targets were met. It was a joke. But we did discuss in that lightning analysis of ONT that if you look left, no resistance. So when you don't have resistance, guys, you're in outer space. You're just going to fly. You're going to literally fly. So we were saying the next target was the 2618 fib extension. See if we can get there. I mean, it's a possibility based on nothing left. Maybe we come up here to this 3618 fib extension. Would that be nuts? Look, this is where you had your highest high wick ever, right? Hey, John Coombs, man. John Coombs, thanks so much for the that $5 contribution, man. You just do. We can do that, man. You got any questions about TS in the chat in the Discord, man? Thanks so much, man. Coombs the Coombs, man. Thanks, brother. Really do appreciate you, man. So anyway, you know, with this, 2618 seems very, very real. I don't know why you wouldn't hit that. There's nothing left. There's nothing else. Okay. All right, guys. So at least here, the 1618, we pretty much didn't. It wasn't because there was a resistance here. It was just more so like we came back and the 1618 was respected, and we knew it was here. So you even broke above it and you kind of held off right here and used it as support. Break, hook, and go. Probably. Yep. Break, hook. Bullish engulfing candle off the 1618. That means you had a break, hook, and go bullish, you know, go confirmation off the Andromeda Galaxy. You literally did that as ONT. Unbelievable, man. Okay. 2618. That's where you're going, man. Probably. Interesting. Do we hit our measure move on this wedge? I think it was close. I don't think we quite got there. DGD. Yeah, 6,000. I don't think so, man. Maybe from the breakout. Oh, you were so close. Maybe we were just off on our measure move or something. But like, look where this wick is. It's so freaking close to that 6,000 measure move, guys. I mean, that's close enough to be the measured move. Some TA Jesus man, he was out there and he was just measuring it a little different, right? That's where it was. I mean, we had the pink line right here. I believe that was it. So it's awesome, man. So with that, yeah, you've broken out, and guess what? You made a low, and now you're making higher lows than your previous low, which is great. Interesting. Very interesting pattern development. I mean, I don't know why we have our support fibs right now, breaking out of a wedge like that. Key level, you know, support obviously going to be over here. This is off a little bit. Another level of resistance support right here. This wick and this wick, we plotted both of these. So we were unable to break above either this one or this one. I mean, we did, but we didn't hold, right? So I think you could wait on this one. Wait for this area down here. Just wait, guys. You could just wait on this, man. You could either be conservative, which is 6 to 3 or 6.3 to 1 on your money if you wait for it to come down here, and you have a limit boss set up, an alert here, so you're alerted to the price actions presence. And if you wanted to, if you thought maybe we could run back up to these levels up here, which is a reality, 13.3. Oh, come on, let's do it. 13.37. Come on, dude, let's do it. Oh, it's not letting us do it, man. Whatever. So like 13.337 kappa to you know, to 1 risk to reward. Unbelievable. And that's beautiful. Let the money come to you guys. There's value down here. If it doesn't come down here, oh well, man. But the whole point is, this is an area of value where we double bottom. If we break down to this level, there's a good chance we could hold it again. Okay, so just see what happens. It's nothing to worry about. Like if you but I mean, I know we're seeing some level of support right here, but I don't know if that's like why, you know. Nothing really telling me why we're seeing just a bottom here. I wouldn't just be buying here. I would just wait till this area, see if we can get there. If not, doesn't matter, man. Maybe you have some sort of little wedge going on. I don't know. Just wait. Okay. DGD, that's what is that? 28942 sat level. Wait for that, man. Okay, BRD, BlackRock, Depths, Warcraft, Kappa. Sweet, man. Oh, what's going on here, man? Oh, yeah, rising wedge, but you never broke down, man. Interesting. Look at all those wicks, man. That's just a heavily manipulated low volume coin. It's just stuff you don't want to be messing around with. I don't know, man. Your MACD's showing some strength, stronger, you know, made a higher high and a higher level of positive momentum, but you're already like at 68 on the 4 hour just from that. And look at these wicks. Every time we did something like this, it was just, nope. I don't know, man. It's just the wicks. Like, what do you even do with these wicks, man? That. Maybe. Yeah, symmetrical triangle, I guess. Tell you this, you gotta get above this level at some point. If you don't, trend's still very much in place. This 6880 area, Satoshis. You break above that, then we'll have a talk. Then we'll talk about a reversal pattern. How about that? But, you know, buying at the bottom here, sure, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong, Michael. That's a great area to buy, great entry. If you plotted it like this, man, I'm sure you did something like that. Great, and it's moving to the upside. Try to sell up here. Right, try to just close your position up at the top of the symmetrical triangle if it gets there. If it doesn't, hey, no big deal, man. If it doesn't. And here's another area. Look at these wicks. 1, 2, I mean, a billion. Like, all your wicks touch this level here for some reason. See that? Here, 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 here. This might be a good area to close your position. 6684, maybe. We'll see though, man. I don't know. The wicks are freaking me out. I'm a little wigged out by it, man. So, we'll see what happens. That's it. That's it for BRD, man. Too much wickage. XRP, Ripple, guys. Oh yeah, what's going on with Ripple, man? Oh, almost to target, right? Almost to target. We're getting there, man. Will we rise and hit target and close position? I don't know. Were you able to get on this? Because all the whales and the stream snipers were getting on this. We had this, we said, look, this is the area. Maybe you got in. You didn't have much of an opportunity. There wasn't much time. So, that's how it works. Ooh, nice, man. Look at that. You had this Class C bullish divergence down here, right? Yeah. Yeah, you made a low, then you made a lower low, then you made double bottom momentum. Class C bullish divergence. What did we get off that? Boom. There you go, man. The move. It's wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. No form of any kind of bearish divergence yet. But we'll see. Target's still up here. See if we can get there. And, you know, it could crap out here. It might be a good... If you wanted to, you could take a little profit here if you wanted to, if you were scared. Because this is also an area. But I don't know. I mean, this is the only reason why. You got way more history up here. I wouldn't balk on where you are and try to close it out up here. You know, so we'll see what happens. See what happens. You broke out of this huge wedge on Ripple, right? Beautiful wedge, and we're gonna see if we can move to the upside. You know, your first target's 72.87. If you can get above that and hold above that, that's wonderful. That's step one. You know what step two is? 75.08. If you break and hold above 75.08, that means you made a higher high, higher low multiple times. Then, if you break and hold above this, you got a long way to run. 83.87 after that. So, but we know our 2 critical levels of resistance right here, okay? Let's get above that, and then we'll have a conversation, okay? Hey, your 200's finally starting to catch up a little bit. Just stop making lower lows, and we'll be okay. I like it, man. I freaking like it. Let's go Ripple. Be Jesus, man. And Via, remember that was a pumpy dump coin one time. We heard about it once. It pumped and dumped, and then we never heard about it ever again. Oh, hey, there it is, man. Remember? Remember? That was when people were talking about it. We can't even... Oh, my God. Can't even scale it. Oh, my God. You're kidding me, right? Oh, look, it moved. It moved, guys. I mean, yeah, okay. Well, best of luck on your risk to reward. Terrible, man. Yeah, you have the highest level of positive momentum you've seen since the pumpy dump, right? But who cares about the pumpy dump, man? I don't know what you want me to say. This is an all messed up coin. I don't know if you're in it. Hey, look! Oh, if you're in it, guys, look, the golden cross. The golden cross on Via. It's still a pumpy dump coin, okay? Just remember. Just remember, write down golden cross, guys. You just hit it on Via for the first time and ever. There you go, guys. Best of luck to you on your journey for Via. Look, I mean, yeah, you broke previous highs, which is what you got to do to reverse your overall trend with the golden cross to boot, man. That's pretty tremendous, I must say. That was a previous high right there. Here's your next high. Give me a break, man. It's almost impossible to chart because of this pumpy dump, man. Act like it doesn't exist, then we'll just do something like this, I guess. Okay. So I'm not fibbing this. How do you even... You can get so many false positives with this. You might be fibbing it wrong. You don't even know it. So I will just defer and say that you've broken a couple highs. Stay above these highs and just keep going and don't get too pumpy dump. Whatever, man. Via coin. We'll just let you think about that one. You're high. Hey, if you buy now, you're buying high. Fun with that. Golden cross here, man. We replotted this because we had yes sir, yes sir. It actually is like this. Let's do it like this, man. And it's all okay. We're okay if we're GXS still. Just remember, guys. Watch this. Yep, still fine. If you wick down, but it's kind of scary because you got this bear pole, bear flag crap, but you're still in a really nice bullish consolidation pattern, so I wouldn't be too scared of it. Yeah, I wouldn't be too scared, man. You're in a quite, at this point, you're pretty much in a bullish trend until you fall below 34.68. You fall below 34.68, yeah, then you're bearish, but the fact that you wicked off like that, there were so many freaking buyers right here, you just shot this price up. That was a huge rejection candle, huge rejection wick right there. So I think we can still say that we have an opportunity to make our measured move up right here, 45.54 at some point. This was your best opportunity to buy. The bottom of these flags, you buy at the bottom. You can sell a little bit here in case it fails, but you're buying into an already promising situation where you have a bull pole, bull flag. So you shave some off, and if it tanks, hey, who cares? You made money on a failed trade. If not, you get the windfall. That's the windfall right there. The measured move of your bull pole. Wonderful. Ooh, nice. Nice, man. Heck yeah, dude. You got some Class A bullish divergence, man. Oops, wrong tool. Wonderful, man. Wonderful. Look at that. See your, notice how you're making a... I mean, it's not that severe, but nevertheless, it's still real. Okay, so you got... like you made a low here with this level negative momentum, and you made a lower low, and you made lower highs on your negative momentum. Class A bullish divergence should be seen to turn around at some point. It's pretty nice. You got, I mean, you could have a triple MACD soon. You could drop again if you wanted to, Maybe fall down here and test this 200 MA before you bounce to the upside. We'll see. Just based on this crap. We'll see though. Alright, we'll see. Okay guys. That was GXS. Thanks for being here. Y'all Jesus, man. I'm going to take a look at chat real quick. Been going 42 minutes in this live stream. Just going to scroll up, okay? Michael Fujiwara says, I got into POA because of last night's video. You did Jesus? No, you did Jesus, man. Thanks, man. The kind words. I have a Tahoe OG. Oh, wow. I'm a bad Driz. I didn't see that, dude. Nah, man. You know how it is, dude. We had all those technical difficulties. It was just kind of an anomaly. Like one of those fat finger wicks, you know? Garcia, you silly man. Yeah, we took care of ONT already, Lena. Sorry about that. Respect the TA and the beard, John. What's up, man? Dende, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here, man. Did breaks out when Bitcoin dips? Oh, yeah, Bitcoin's dipping right now. Oh, yeah, that... You got 15 minutes left. 15, guys. And, yeah. Let's take a look real quick over here. Yeah, guys, it's pretty rough. Bitcoin's triple topped on your 4-hour, and we'll get to it in just a few minutes. We got to our our local on the 8s, guys. So next on the list was ADA. Neo's hooking right now. Heck yeah, Michael. Let's hook and go, man. Dude, Neo, it's trend reversal, man. Oh yeah. Someone might say, "Oh man, dude, it's the wicks, man. It's a symmetrical triangle, dude. You're wrong." It's like, okay, man. You're Patreon. You got the tip of the week. It's a good example right here. Okay. This is the trade, but if we break and hold above these levels, oh yeah, you know what's gonna happen. Oh yeah. Wedge, targets, measure move up here. Yeah, man. I think this is set up and primed for a breakout. Beautiful looking stuff right here. The selling's done. There were no more sellers. No more. So we'll see what happens with this. My issue, what I thought was going to happen, and I still think could happen, believe it or not, like despite how promising it looks right here, we do have Class B, could be Class A bearish divergence. I would say this is Class A bearish divergence, your strongest form, because you're making a higher high, your candle bodies are making a higher high than your previous high, and you're making lower levels of positive momentum. I feel like we could very well just break out, but I feel like just based on this right here, we could see one more dip, one more opportunity for people to buy in, to get that little bit more of accumulation, then to break to the upside. Very real possibility. Let's see if we can do that, man. Okay? That's ADA. Would that help, man? ADA is moving now, man. Like the Jesus, dude. Well, sorry about that, guys. The little ticker. Jeez, are you kidding me? Go on a sec, guys. Unbelievable, man. Okay, guys. We're good. Okay, so that's ADA, ascending triangle. Beautiful stuff, man. And the measured move up would be 25.40, but we could go much higher if the TA lords will it. ADA, XLM. Oh yeah, the stuff didn't save. We were just messing around with this. One night, education, fun, beautiful wedge. We hit target on that wedge. That was the measure move right here, and nothing else even got saved, of course, like everything else. It's like we have to redo everything. So unbelievable. So look, you're outside. Let's just spring cleaning, guys. Spring cleaning. Got a lot of stuff going on. Okay. We analyzed this. We had a break and go on that channel we just deleted. Okay. Hit target on this wedge. But here's one thing you need to know about. It's this right here. This is all-time highs up here. Okay. You broke and head faked. You formed a small falling wedge when you broke back down into it. And now you're just going sideways. You're kind of walking out. Not a breakout, it's a walkout. But hard to say. I want to say. Oh yeah, man, that sucks. Ugh. Class B? Bearish divergence? No. Yes. Class B bearish divergence right there. You made a high. You made this level of positive momentum. Then you made a lower, well, pretty much double topped. You made a lower level of positive momentum. Terrible, man. Just gross. That is gross. Oh, I love the wicks, man. Don't you? They're just so fun for charting. They screw everything up. I mean, the pattern you got going on. All I see kind of is something like this, man. Really. That's all you can say you're doing. Alright, that's like it. That's all you got going for you. So we have a bearing on what we're doing. We're walking out of a huge resistance on like very small amounts of volume. Remember this? Bitcoin did that same thing, man. So, yeah. I don't know. Not much to talk about with XLM till we start. I mean, yeah, we bottomed out, sure, making higher lows, but let's see some nice bullish patterns for once on this thing, man. That's it. Okay, guys, we got 10 minutes, I think, right? Yep. BNB, bed and breakfast coin, guys, our favorite. Okay, could be flagging. We just talked about, hey, maybe we'll get to target. Maybe we will. Maybe we won't. But, you know, this was a good level too. You know, the 17129 area, there's nothing wrong with attempting to buy there or here. I think these are both decent levels. Just based on finding a bottom here, look for that double bottom to break to the upside. So you could do something like this too if you wanted. And you could settle. Starts messing with your risk to reward on that. So, yeah, man, I don't know. Either the 17122 sat level, or if you wanted to, you could layer in, you know, 25% here, this area. If it keeps tanking, then you put 25-50% here, and then you have that stop loss tight again, right? Layer into the 17122, and also try this downward sloping trend line, you know, this parallel channel that we got going on. Okay, this flag possibly. So just try it out, man. Try out both. Lots of negative momentum there. Okay, so no divergence really at all. So yeah, man. Well, we talked about a rising wedge, right? Rising wedge, and that could still be in play. And the fact is, look how amazing this run's been, right? That's crazy, man. And here's your all-time high, 18,580, and that's right here. Look left. Maybe you're just bull flagging, consolidating bullishly before the huge move. If you did break above, you'd have some levels of capitulation. You know, your first target would be the 1272, which is 21,129. Then after that's the 1414, then the 1618 after that. So you do have your fib extensions at least to give you some a compass when you're in space, right? That's what you need, man. So scrolling down, guys, on chat. John, I just use the simple moving average. Just go to Trading View Indicators and click moving average. That's it, man. Moving average. 20. Yep, that's it, Michael. That's it. Same thing, pretty much, man. Sorry, guys. Got a lot of stuff going on. Yeah, you had bear pull, bear flag. Never really hit that measure move. Maybe you did, but probably not. Huh. No way. Wow, what if you got this going on, dude? What if you have dude, what if you have an ascending triangle going on? Huh. That'd be nuts. 2 reaction highs, 2 reaction lows now. I think if you want to take a shot, this is the time to take it. Yeah, look, you're already wicking off. You see that? This is the time to take a shot on BNB if you want that risk to reward Jesus stuff, man. Have a stop loss here below your previous wicks, and then you could sell up here. 5 to 1. There you go, man. There's your BNB. Hello? Mission control. Hey, Maximiliano, man. Thanks so much for the pledge to Patreon, man. You Jesus, dude. Couldn't do that. You got a question about TS in the chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much, dude. Thanks, man. So there you go. There it is. BNB to US dollar tether. Okay. Ah, man. I can't. There's no way I can do this. Mission control. I can't. There's no freaking way I'm going to be able to do this while I'm live. Sorry, man. You're going to figure out a system for me to be able to do this. Or you'd be taking notes or something while I'm doing this. So, wonderful trade setup on BNB. Finding an upward sloping trend line here. Good area to buy right here. Stop loss down here at 11.45. If you tank, you get stomped out. Who cares? You barely lost anything. You're risking 1 to win 5. Okay? There you go, man. BNB to US dollar tether. Buy would be around this area right here, man. That's it. There's like no other area. There's no like wait for it. It's like you're sitting on it. You hear that? Hello? Good lord. I need more monitors. I need like 5 more monitors. Oh my god. Jesus. BLZ, man. There it is. Bull pull, bull flag. Yeah. You did it, man. This is a major resistance right here. You smashed it, you destroyed it. Man, I could have sworn we did a measured move. This was not the measured move. Measured move down here to here. Maybe it was. 474. Well, where is it, man? 474. Ah, this was the measured move. We didn't color code it. 47.55 was the measured move. And the bull pull, bull flag combination. Look at the volume. Wow. Largest level of volume you've seen since February 28th. Interesting. It all started with a symmetrical triangle breakout. Huh. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Very weird. I wonder if this was the bull pull, the bull flag, and this was just a miniature bull flag, and it used this bull pull as the measured move. I wonder, man. Do you think so? Be 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 satoshis from this break. Higher than that, man. Went way higher than that. Crazy, man. Crazy stuff. BLZ, congratulations on your breakout. Yeah, look at that. Higher lows. Double bottom. Breaking your previous highs. It's good stuff, man. Great on BLZ, man. You're at, oh my goodness, highest RSI in the history of this coin. 84 on the 4-hour. Haven't seen this level of positive momentum since the 22nd of February. Crazy, man. Crazy stuff. Beautiful breakout on good levels of volume. Nice job, BLZ. Nice job, man. Really behind on chat. Power. We'll put it on the list. Saint Pesonia. That's right, Emeris. Let's go Nia. What's up, MK Honey? How you doing, man? Sorry, I'm not definitely not trying to ignore anything. I'm just like behind on chat. A lot of stuff going on. A lot of technical difficulties on our side, on my side. I don't know, Loot Patient. We'll check it out, man. See what Zen's doing, man. Okay, we caught up with chat. Oh, of course. Music stopped. Hey, guys. It's 2 minutes till the top of the hour, so you're local on the 8s. Could you even hear that? Of course, probably not. Whatever. Anyway, let's go to Bitcoin. I'm going to spend a couple minutes just hanging out at Bitcoin. Brozov with the interesting number of bits, 215. Thanks, Brozov, man, for the 215 bits, man. You jeez, dude, we couldn't do that. You can question about TS in the chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much, dude, for that 215 bits. Thanks, brother. Y'all are awesome, man. Y'all are freaking amazing. So y'all could hear it. It was good volume. Let me know, because that's like, dude, it's amazing. All I have is this LCD button. It says it's like the Weather Channel's logo. And I just hit it and it does it, man. It's amazing. Of course it's the same guy, Jonathan. It's a hater. It's a guy who's pissed off that I'm helping people. He's upset that I'm helping people. I'm positively influencing your lives, and he hates it. Because he's got his own issues. You didn't hear it? See, man? I don't think the audio from your computer is still low. Yeah, that's my fault. Because I had someone remote in to my computer. Jesus Christ. Touch low. Is the music low too? I don't know, man. So Bitcoin, yeah, man. So we got 2 seconds, 1 second, boom. New candle, guys. 4 hour new candle. Here it is. Where are we going? We going up? Triple top stuff, man. Head and shoulder stuff on a smaller time scale, possibly. It's normally really bad. I mean, you never want to see that. I mean, this is the 50% retrace, a very common area. Look, the Dow theory. The Dow theory, guys. When you have moves, you normally retrace about 50% of the way. Well, we did that, man. The Dow theory being a Jesus, dude. There it is. There's the move. Thanks, Jason. Jason Peterson. You can do my audio, but you have to be here with a beer in hand. Hey, man. Sounds fair, man. There's music playing? Good lord, man. Gracias, amigo. Hey, Amason, multimedia, dude. You Jesus, dude. Thanks for being here, man. Really appreciate you. Okay. You know, it's like, I don't know, one day Bitcoin will rise up again. I mean, I like Bitcoin because Bitcoin, I want it to do well because, my God, man, you have no idea the analytics and just the searches, everything. When Bitcoin tanks, everyone just stops searching. They're like, oh, Bitcoin sucks, man. Oh, they just start looking at something else. Music is perfect. Thanks, Pablo. Hope Sydney's okay, man. Set it and forget it. Well, I don't know, man. Sometimes if I'll review it because I'm like, I want to know my audio setting, like how loud it was, and I get cringed by how loud it is sometimes before in the past. But you know, guys, a little Bitcoin. We just had a brand new 4 hour candle happen, and we're immediately, you know, moving down. So I mean, that's like $10, $8. So all right, we'll see what happens. We still have a bear pole, bear flag, 4 hour. If we want to move to 1 hour, I guess we can. What's up, Crypto Chef? How you doing, man? Thanks for being here, dude. You geez, dude. There you go, man. You're gonna find some sort of support here at this heart line. You've seen it before. Will you do it again? I don't know, man. Say this on the 1 hour. You're finally look, you had that death cross on the 1 hour course, right? Finally, lagging indicator. lagging, but now you're about to have your 50 cross over your 20. Ooh, that's no good. I don't like that, dude. Yeah, just losing value. All right, man. So Heartline is going to be your first area of support. You know, we can go to the 4 hour. Back to the 4 hour anyway. Yep, DGD, man. Digimon coin. We did it, man. We won the ball game. Digimon coin. Litecoin. I should just wear headphones, man. If I wore headphones, I wouldn't have any issues with this auditory stuff. It's so stupid. Hey, look, we're at the bottom of the flag, man. Will we fall? Or will we hold? Time will tell. If I were you, man, I understand that there's good value at these levels, but like we were talking to Coach K during the day stream, though you are at the bottom of a trend line where there's good value, you are in a bear trend market after a huge breakdown and what could considerably be a bear flag, and it's completely, you know, developed in all shapes, forms, and capacity, right? So this is probably kind of just, if you're bullish, just sit on the sidelines. How about that? Hey, man, Dende, dude. Dende, the spirit healer, coming in here with the 1500 bits, man. Thank you so much for that 1500 bits, man. You Jesus, dude. We can do that. You can push with the Discord, man. Thanks so much, Dende. And you're awesome, dude. And friggin' Jules Santana and Dende, they're going at it again, man. Are we gonna have another bit war? Oh my god, that was like nuclear, guys, last night. Nuclear. So you know it's to be expected. You haven't moved at all on your 4 hour. Look, nothing. That just probably has to do with no volume algos and bots controlling this, waiting for the humans to do something, waiting for lunchtime to end in Asia. That's what time it is. Let's see what time it is. It's 1:04 p.m. in Seoul. Give it a couple more hours or less. They're just getting done. They're getting back to the offices, guys. Okay, lunch is over. So, see if moves are going to start happening with this new 4 hour candle. Time will tell. Time will tell. ZRX breaking out a symmetrical triangle. Heck yeah, man. Oh my god, why is this here? It's right here. So, yeah, man. Ethereum, there it is. Waiting on Bitcoin to make a move. We talked about the bearish divergence. Clear as day. Hey, you're over the 50 still on the RSI. That's great. Nothing's really changed since the last hour on anything, except we have a brand new candle that literally has done nothing. It's literally done so much of nothing that you can barely even see it's there. We're behind Forrest Gump, man. What's he gonna do next? What's Forrest Gump gonna do, man? Running that marathon. Just waiting. So, really exciting, isn't it? Real exciting. Okay, so next one on the list, 2:05 Sydney time. Uh-oh. How do you get the moving averages on your trading view? Look up here. Hey, Guy and Marco, man, thanks so much for the 100 bits, man. You just, dude, you can do that, man. Thanks, dude. Thanks, brother, man. Really appreciate you, man. Up here, Drew, look, see indicators. Click your indicators. Just type in moving averages. Also, you might want to reach out to I Hate Windows and actually, we have it. He created something where you can have multiple indicators for one indicator. Weird enough, it's pinned in Traders Chat and Discord. So just type in I Hate Windows. Can you help with that, possibly? I don't know if you're here. I know it's what is it? It's during the day. It's morning time, isn't it, in Germany? Or not yet. It's still like really, really late or something. Early late. So I don't know. We have that, but you just type in moving averages. That's how I did it. I have the pro version, so I can do that. But you click moving average right here, and you just literally, it's pretty easy, man. I did it like this. I couldn't get the other ones to work that had the triple stuff, so I just did one at a time. Went to inputs, 20, close, no offset. That's how you get your EMAs. close is the candle close, and then your length is 20. So just do it like that. Okay, hope that helps true. Let me know, man. Music and mic are perfect for me on my iPhone headphones. Heck yeah, Jonathan. Thanks for the update, man. You never know. I never know over here. So thanks, dude. 69 watching. No, we got 88 watching, dude. What are you talking about, man? Thanks, Michael, though. You G's, dude. Really appreciate y'all being here. So, look, you know, there was your short opportunity, and it doesn't even look like you quite touched it. But I think this might have been off just a little bit. All right, you want to do I don't know why this was off. Candle body close right there. You touched it like the Jesus man. Right there, man. And so look, it shows us if you would have taken this short position here, you'd already be up this much. See what I'm saying? If you had your limit buy right there, the body candle close previous, right? Pretty cool, huh? All right, short tool, use it. So next on the list, RLC. What is that? Dude, Jill Santana, man. Thanks so much for the 500 bits, man. You just did. We can do that, man. You can question about TSM chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much for the 500 bits, giving Jill Santana the lead with 2,000 bits for the evening. The bit lord for now. Here we go, right? Says Broza. Donovan, Neo is not on the list. Weird enough, right, Donovan? Like, why would it not be on the list? I mean, actually, that was my previous tweet. Believe it or not. I changed it up, didn't tweet about Bitcoin because Bitcoin's boring and we all know it's just bear pole, bear flag, no volume, dead coin right now. Just waiting. Hurry up and digest your food, Asians. Either drink some coffee, take an Adderall, snort some cocaine. One or the other. One of the three. Just do it so we can see some movement. We're just doing some educating way back when. We haven't looked at this in a while. Obviously we did that, right? Hey, man, Windows, thank you so much for the 500 bits, man. You just, dude. We couldn't do that. You can question about TSM chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much, brother. 500 bits mean everything, dude. Hey, at least I can hear the chime now, right? Remember that night I couldn't hear it? Unreal. With this, man, jeez, dude, you were some sort of range, right? Kind of like that. That you could even extend this way. Look at that. Wow, man. If you take out the pumpy dump, right? If the pumpy dump doesn't exist, you're fine. You look great here, right? Looks like some sort of a triangle pattern. I think the pumpy dump doesn't count. You could just discount the pumpy dump, guys. Like, what's the freaking point, man? Emrys says, hello? Kappa? Thanks, Emrys, man, for the 300 bits, man. You just do. We can do that, man. Quit about in chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much, Emrys. Thanks, brother. Yo bits, man. Oh boy, Jewel Santana, there's no way, dude. Dende's just like, here's the nuke button on the bit war. Alright, Dende, man, thank you so much for the 1500 bits, man. You just dude, we can do that. You question about TSM chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much, Dende. You Jesus, man. I hate Windows coming in with 300 bits, man. Thanks so much for the 300 bits, man. You just dude, we can do that, man. Question about TSM chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much, brother. Thanks, Windows, man. GG's, man. So you can see with the RLC, right? If you take out the pumpy dump, you got some kind of nice little triangle action going on, right? That's what I see. I mean, look, I could be wrong, but you can't do this. You can't, how do you do this? That's not how it works. Oh, is that it, guys? We did it, man. We did the breakout. No, man. Nah, dude. No way. Just sometimes you can disregard crap. Look, you even had this wick back here. Oh, Jill Santana coming in. Retaliation. 1,000 bits, man. Dude, Jules, thanks so much for the 1,000 bits, man. You just do. We can do this, man. That's 3,000. Jules has 3,000 right now. Dinde is at 3,000. It's a tie ball game. And we got I Hate Windows with 800. Then we got Barack with 500 and Emerus with 300. And Kai and Marco with 200. That's the leaderboard tonight. My goodness, guys. All right, so you see the wick here, here, here. You see even the market makers, I believe, discounted this pumpy dump, okay? You can just see it kind of in the price. So wonderful place to buy, evidently, right? Beautiful place. You come up here, beautiful place to sell. How this would have gone. You had a very long time to buy down here. We just, RLC, man, no one ever requests that. Hey, Kai and Marco, man, thanks so much for the 100 bits, man. UG's, dude. We got 300 bits going so far for Kai and Marco. UG's, man. Thanks, dude. Wait, what? What? Dinde? Dinde with the 500 bits, man. Oh my goodness. 500 more bits, man. That's 3,500 bits so far for Dinde. The Jesus man. Man, I'm gonna keep doing everything I can to keep pumping those. Hey, I Hate Windows, man. Coming in with 100 bits, man. Thank you, brother, for that 100 bits, dude. You Jesus, dude. People are just gonna start leaving now. Oh man. So with RLC, I mean, no one requests RLC, man. Hey, Jules said 10, man, with the 1,000 bits, man. 1,000 more bits, dude. You jeez, man. Couldn't do that, man. You got a question about T's in chat and Discord, man? Oh my goodness, dude. That's 4,000 bits from Jules Santana this evening. Oh my god. Thanks, brothers. All of y'all. Y'all are freaking amazing. Unbelievable, man. Thanks so much, guys. So, you know, how you would have done this. You had all this opportunity down here. Easy play too. God, you can't see every coin, man. So you'd be like selling up here, right? Whenever you hit this level, wherever it was. So if you, let's say you spiked up tonight, you'd have a limit. You'd have your limit sell set up right now, and you'd be closing your position at around that 1428 Satoshi level. Okay, so low risk, incredibly low risk, high reward, 5 to 1 on your money. That's how you play this. Every time we've come up, we fell back down. I wouldn't expect any kind of breakout. Any time. Every single time. This was your windfall. You lucked out here. But every other time, you hit this area and dumped. So I don't know why it'd be any different here. You should have the same thought process, looking back at the immediate history of what's going on every time. Okay, RLC? Hope you know, if you asked about it, make sure you have your limit sell set up there. You do not want to... Look, we had one wick on this 4 hour. That was it. We never saw it again for quite a while. We never saw it again, actually. Wick. This is a little anomaly, right? That's it. So have a limit sell. And maybe be a little conservative. Set at 1423, 1427. Okay? That's it, man. Best of luck on your RLC. Congratulations. Wonderful little buy area if you did that. And it seems like whoever asked about it probably did do that. So, maybe. You need a bigger tip jar. Well, man, it's just going to keep overflowing, I guess, right? So, John, man, so we talked about it a little earlier. It's like that doesn't count unless we're on the main page. And that has slowed down to a crawl. Our subs per day ever since the bearish cipher pattern played out when we tanked like that $700, $800. Bitcoin like stuff is just hadn't been good. TRX, hey Edgar, you're the first freaking person to ask about that. How can that be, man? How are y'all not asking about Tronics? Y'all scared? Y'all scared of Tronics, man? Can the jar overflow? I believe so, Rory. I believe it can overflow. It just like pops out and then the new bits come in and it's rolling, right? So. Let's set up an alert up here, maybe, just for. I'm gonna have to get the really expensive trading view soon for all the Patreon stuff now, and if we want to have fun with our alerts too, and not just, you know, have to use them for certain things. Or I'll see. OMG. Oh yeah, man, breakout. Remember we talked about this, the breakout, dude. We talked about the breakout. Bull pole, bull flag. And here's the thing. We might have to go to the daily to find out where that swing low is going to be. This could be by noise. Hold on. Jeez, man. Where do you... You're just going to have to put it here. You have to be conservative almost. Could go here or here. I mean, for the sake of safety and not getting wrecked because you hit a perfect measure move and the TA lords had their textbook and they're like, this will be the measured move. Right? Bogdanovs, right? They're doing the measured moves too, man. So 195 sats. Let's go back to the 4 hour. 195 from the breakout. Right here. Oh yeah, we already did the measure move. Dirt. What? 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 Rory. What? 10,000 bits? Rory, that is a record, man. No one's ever contributed 10,000 bits before. Oh my god. Rory, you are to Jesus, man. Thank you so much. 10,000 bits, ladies and gentlemen. Rory just came in and entered the game of bits. Okay, it's like Game of Thrones, but for bits. It's very good. It's on HBO. Wow. Okay, guys. Do y'all want to the leaderboard right now? Total bits. MK Hani 13,500. Dende 9,000. Emerus. Well, no, we got Rory now. It's not updated. Okay, that is not updated. So, and you gotta make sure Mission Control that's an updated all time. So yeah. My God, man, Rory, you to Jesus, man. Y'all are all freaking incredible. All the support you give me is unbelievable. And with OMG, the measure move, I don't know. I guess it's a little different. I just did this, I guess. You're on the 4 hour. Oh my God, y'all are amazing. 220, okay. 220 from the breakout. 220. There you go. There it was. That, okay, that I'm sticking with that, man. I don't care. I'm sticking with that. Man, John Coombs, dude, coming in with that back-to-back $5 contribution, man. You the real Jesus, dude. We couldn't do that, man. You can put tears in the chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much, John. Huge, man. What is this? What is that? I don't even know how many that is, guys. Can somebody help me? Because the chat's messed up. Dude, y'all are freaking unbelievable. How many is that, Jules? Can somebody? Bueller? Oh my God. Oh my God, what is that? No one's helping me. I still don't know. We'll see. 3,000. Okay, sorry. Jules Santana, man, thank you so much for the 3,000 bits, man. You're the real Jesus, dude. We couldn't do that. You can question about TS in the chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much, Jules Santana. Unbelievable, man. Unfreaking believable. 7,000 bits for Jules Santana tonight. Rory 10,000. Dende with 3,500. Oh my God, guys. Twitch power. Oh my God. So you should be expecting, if this plays out, if the TA is respected, if Bitcoin doesn't just go to 0 tomorrow or whatever, should be hitting 1552 pretty easily at some point, right? That's the play. I mean, look, man, you bottomed out. Okay, look. What? Nuh-uh. What? That's 30,000? Okay, Mission Control. They typoed. They typoed and said 3,000 bits, and I couldn't see because it was all gone. I couldn't see it. 30,000 bits. That is a world record for this stream. I don't even know how to. No, it's not 30,000. What? Okay, these guys. I don't know what they're doing tonight. I'm getting trolled. Can somebody help me? That's not trolling me. It's just 3,000, right? Yeah, just kidding. I don't know. I'm not Yeah, I don't know. I might as well just not look anymore. Okay. Looks like Barack was trolling. Barack, you were trolling, dude. It was 3,000. I'm just gonna... Nice one, guys. Nice one. Yeah, hey, look, man. The trolling is cascading upon the land. Thank you, trolls. Right, the trolling. My God. Yep, 3,000. Yep, that's what I thought initially. Okay, it looked like it. It looked like 3,000. It didn't like 30,000, but hey, else. You never know, man. So, still, again, 7,000, like I said initially, right? I wrote it down like that. My God, man. So, we'll see. OMG, man. OMG. Sorry, guys. Wrote stuff down about these breakouts and stuff. Alright, man. Barring acts of God, this should make a 1552 at some point. Heck yeah, man. Alright, XCM was the next one on the list. Guys, y'all are unbelievable. We hadn't looked at this in a while. Yeah, we hadn't looked at this in a real long while. Jigga with a G. What happened to George Soros with a G, man? Hey, Jigga with a G, man. Thanks so much for the $5 contribution, man. You G's do. We can do that. Your question about TS and chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much, Jigga with a G, George Soros with a G, Jesus with a G. All the known aliases for our G. Thanks, brother. I do appreciate you, man. Means a lot, dude. Alright, so, it's just spring cleaning, right? Okay. What's happening? Well, we found a bottom. Found a bottom. It's pumpy pump. It was a nice trade. 50%, the 618. Hit like the T. Remember the swing low, swing high? 618. Alright, so what's happening? I like this. I like the fact that you made a higher low than your previous low. This little double bottom stuff. We just have our fibs here. Let me get rid of this. You're getting this nice rounding stuff. Interesting, guys. Something to... I like this, man. I like this, guys. Obviously, you have accumulation going on finally now. Okay. So yeah, I honestly think you got this action going on. I get it, man. I get it's not even valid yet. It's not a valid triangle, but you could say these are reaction highs too. But and just give it some time. Give it some time, and we'll see. You have price contraction and accumulation. That is a certainty. You have two reaction lows, one reaction high. Could be argued that these wicks are, let's go to the 1 hour real quick. How about that, man? Something I guess maybe you could try. Oh. Say you're breaking out or something. Hey, Barack, man. Thanks so much for that 500 bits, man. You just do. We can do this, man. You gotta respect the Discord, man. That's for Barack. That's a total of 1,000 bits this evening. Barack, thanks so much, man. You just dude. Heck yeah, dude. So I just don't know, man. Like, do you want to do it like that? You could just say you broke out already, I guess, but I just don't know how safe that is to say that you did that. Alright, I guess you could. Yeah, you broke out of the symmetrical triangle. Allegedly. So you got no confirmation on that if that's the case, but if you do something like this, you know, you haven't broken anything. I want to just mess around and see. It's not an ascending triangle, okay, guys? It's not right now. Don't take me saying I'm saying it's an ascending triangle, okay? Let's just see if this plays out. Let's see if this gets used as a resistance. I just don't know why it wouldn't. And you know what would happen? If it comes up here and hits this level and falls and breaks down, you got one more opportunity. before you go to the Jesus world, okay? Because then it becomes a textbook triangle. Seen these before. I've seen these, okay? Just wait and see, okay? Wish I could have a million alerts. If I had a million alerts, we'd set an alert here like we would everywhere. But area to buy is down here. You want to buy down here. Okay? Would Neo be a better decision or OMG for quick cash? Donovan, man, you never want to be thinking about quick cash when you think about trading. It's counterintuitive. It's kind of like the opposite, right? It's kind of, you think about cash in time, right? And you think about risk to reward. You think about taking, you know, relative levels of risk management, right? That's what you think about. You think about, it's not that crazy thing that brought you probably into this world, right? It brought all the people, lots of people were brought in. You know how they were brought in? This right here. Well, yeah, this right here. This kind of stuff pulled everyone into the market right here. This brought everyone into the market. And then everyone got dumped on. You guys got to learn, right? You can't make money during these times. But look, who can be wrong here? Everyone's right. The people taking the highest level of risks in this market make the most money. And guess what? Most of the time, the market's not like that. Most 10 months out of the year, it's not like that, right? But no one was in the market before this, right? It was all like this. Everything was fine. Yeah, crypto's crypto, whatever, man. All of a sudden, this started happening. Everyone's like, oh my God, I got to get in. I got to get in. I'm going to miss out. And everyone's buying in. Everyone's buying in. Up here, they're like, oh my God, we're going to be rich. And they all wrote it up. And they didn't understand exit plans, overextension from your MAs, getting too high too fast. So then we just had this sell-off, and no one made a dime. Everyone lost money. Everyone got cleaned out. And now we're back down to pre-pumpy pump levels, okay? But something incredible about this that I do love, look how you've made higher lows than your previous lows. Overall bullish. Okay. Accumulation here and here. Higher than down here. Before the pumpy pump. When all the dust settled, you had more buyers, more owners of this coin than before. Right? So let's see if we have any kind of MACD to help us with our decision making process. If it is the case. And it may be very well be wrong. Because we don't have a confirmed descending triangle, guys, okay, at all. I do like this though. I feel like with the divergence, this kind of reminds me of ADA. ADA is doing the same thing. So I'd like us to hit this level, top out, and then break down, hit it one more time. Everyone gets one more opportunity to get in. Maybe we fall a little lower, come back, and then we shoot to the moon, right? But let's make that reaction high to validate this triangle, okay? Put that on the list. We have to let some stuff play out, okay? Just let it play out. Don't make any sudden moves on XCM, okay? XRP? Yeah, XRP, right? It seems just like yesterday we were looking at this, or today. It just seems like just like this afternoon we were looking at this. Wait, didn't we already look at this? Yeah, we've already looked at this. What are we doing, man? Beautiful trade stuff. Oh yeah, hope you bought. I was like, deja vu, like really, really bad deja vu. Nano. We cleaned all this up. Oh my God, we had to rechart all this, dude. Oh my God. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Interesting. Thought maybe good levels of value. Nope, didn't happen. Look at that, you're tanking now. No levels of value now. Wow. Nano, remember guys? Remember Nano? Huh? Correction mode? Remember Nano, guys? Oh my God. We're gonna do it. We're gonna take over the world. We're gonna replace Bitcoin. We got it added to the Android wallet. It's all over, guys. It's all over. Never gonna stop. Big correction. Continuing your downward trek like them all. look, there was a rotation. You had these underlying Jesus coins, okay? The underlying Jesus coins. And they ran up. Remember, what was it? GVT? That was one of the Jesus coins. I don't know why it wasn't a meme coin. They didn't have a very good marketing team. That's why. So, come on, man. Music's... Okay, man. So I guess GVT didn't have a marketing team. So, like, they ran up, and they were really quiet while they ran up. But it ran up just like Verge did, you know? Ran up wonderfully. Huge money. A lot of people in here. I think, what, Arcade made money on that? GVT? Arcade, are you in here, dude? Nano effed up big time. Yeah, man. Yeah, well, look, man. These coins don't have intrinsic value. They pump it, then they dump. And they have corrections. And the corrections last for quite some time. And you're going to be fortunate if this... doesn't make a lower low than its previous low. You know, a good level of value to maybe take a little scalp right down there. See if you can get a double bottom. You may not ever hit that, but that's the thing about trading. You're waiting for the money to come to you, and if it doesn't come to you, who cares? Move on. You're waiting for money to hit you all over the place. You're waiting for the money to come to you. If you have a bunch of different trades you're looking at, and you have a bunch of alerts set up and a bunch of different limit buys set up, some of them don't hit. Yeah, that's an inevitability of trading. Your target's not going to hit for you to buy. So I just clean it up a little bit. I know we just look. We've been like, you know, getting coin requests on this the whole time. That's why I have all these lines drawn. Okay. Let's draw some fibs. We have to draw fibs now since we're tanking. I wonder where we're at. You think we're? Let's take a guess, guys. What fib we're at? Guys, let me know what fib you think we're at. What fib node? Let me know. We'll see who's closest to who is right on our fib retrace. Oh man, guys, y'all have been incredible this evening. I've never, you know, we went to levels that we've never seen before. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Jump the gun on XCM, but anyway, yeah, Cayenne can't jump the gun, man. Remember, jumping the gun is the absolute worst thing you can do. When you say, if I do this now, would that be considered jumping the gun? If you do, you're wrong. You're not doing it right, man. You're just not doing it right. 618, 236. Those are the only guesses, guys. Anyone else gonna guess? Okay, we have our new leaderboard. All right, Jules Santana with 16,500 all-time high bits contributed. MK Hani with 14,000. Ruri with 10,000. Dinde with 9,000. Emrys with 4,300. iMat with 1,500. Bfield with 1,500. I Hate Windows with 1,500. Everyone else is sub 1,000. Right there on that leaderboard. So that was just giving you an update on that, man. Unbelievable. No one else knows? All right, so we're probably at the 886, right? 886 level fib. Okay. Swing low to swing high. 886. Boom. That's it, man. 886 fib level. You're below it too. Here it is, man. There it is. So not good that you fell below your 886. Okay. That was a key level of support, and you just laughed at it. So I know Zen and Via were golden crosses on the 4 hour. I don't know if I saw OMG with a golden cross. I might have. I don't think so. Neo has mooned more. Of course it has, man. Dude, we talked about it. Hey, Bradford. Remember when we talked about it, dude? Remember when we said, hey, all that volume makes me think? Didn't we say that to Michael also? All that volume makes me think this run's going to extend on for quite some time. Look, in the stock market, there's something called a gap up, but there's also, you know, gaps are very common in the stock market. But then you have something, a specific type of gap called a breakaway gap, and that's what happens on earning reports or some sort of news comes out that's really good or really bad for that stock. There are no gaps because it's a 24-hour market, but when you see spikes in volume to the level you saw with Neo, in my opinion, I like almost comparing a breakaway gap with that type of volume and spikes. So that completely shattered that correction trend we were on, And that just started moving. All the bots now are like, oh, this is bullish now. Bullish patterns, bullish continuation. Ugh. That's like what happens. It changes all the bots' minds because the institutions changed it for them, right? So there you go. That's how it works. And institutions own those bots too. So, you know, that's the way I think about it, because there are no gaps, right? So 88, that's right. Okay, 88 Golden Cross, right? Gotcha. That's right, man. Yeah. Did we change the tooltip? Mission control, that video, the wings. Did we do that? Let me know. 88 Kappa, not Kappa, but for real. Yep, more to come, Donovan. Pretty much, man, with Neo. Yep. So, I mean, honestly, look, you don't have any more support. You're just This is a twig and thatch, really, man. Yeah, you think that's gonna hold up? Look, you got a decent shot of scalping down here, but if you were a Nano fan, maybe like take your Nano hat off and just put it in the closet for now, for a little while, because this isn't good. This is really bad. You fell below your pretty much last level of defense. Your 886, which is an uncommon fib. So that's it, man. We got to get out of Neo. I'm getting sad. There's just too many nice things that are going on out there, right? Power. Look at that, man. Unbelievable. Look how that happened. So you had a trade set up. It fell down. Came back up. Fell down again. Look at that. What kind of mischief, man. What? It's completely see this crap, man, contradicting like everything. All these great levels of support and resistance. It just said, nah. We're just going to randomly come down to the middle and be here. There's nothing down here. There's no support resistance where this fell. Pure manipulation and crap, man. Chalk it up to crap. But maybe what you got going on now, maybe. Unbelievable, man. Maybe not. Dude, this is crap, dude. That kind of stuff right there, that makes you kind of like, what? I mean, you got some sort of accumulation, man, right? It's interesting, right? It's always interesting to look at and see the double bottom stuff, and now you come up here, see oh yeah, intense forms of bearish divergence right here for power. You made a high here, you're making a higher high, lower level of positive momentum, extremely lower. So bearish divergence, lower prices maybe. You know what, man? Maybe not mess around with this, maybe not. I mean, maybe making a higher low, higher lows, accumulation, man. That's real, but multiple ways to think about it. That thing messed with us hard right there. And look, you know what it really did, man? Oh my God, this is what it really did. Look at the wedge. Look how it broke out of the wedge, screwed us up so bad. Broke this wedge, came and hooked off of it. Wow, I now changed my perception completely of power. Falling wedge, breaking out of a... You just have to zoom out, guys. Sorry, sometimes you just get in the heat of it. So look, all-time high, resistance level here, 2 plot points, and targets here. Targets. There it is. Sorry, guys. I do so many coins. You cannot blame me sometimes. We do so many freaking coins. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. Yeah, you know what? We can go for it, man. Let's, you want to get your best opportunity, okay? And let me tell you this, okay? So don't be like... Just have an open mind here, okay? I think the best value, the best place to buy, of course, would be on this, you know, this upward sloping trend line, okay? If it gets stopped out, it gets stopped out. If we tank back down to here, you get stopped out. Don't get emotional about it. Say, you know what, man? Fine. I'm going to buy again. I'm going to give it one more shot. Have your stop loss a little below this. Still good value down here. Seriously. You get stopped. And then if you wanted to, you could layer in. You could have a really loose stop below this level. You could layer in 25 to 30% here, buy the rest down here, have your stop loss lower there so you don't get stopped out. Multiple buys here and here, and then see if we can get back up to this level. You could, if you wanted to, at that point, maybe sell some here, but and your risk reward skewed, but you're also not buying 100% right here, so it's not that bad. You're still going to get good risk to reward. Tool doesn't show us that. I wish it did. Can someone help? Like, if we could have a layer in tool to where, like, hey, if we're putting in 25% of our position here and then 25 to 50 to 75% here, then what would our risk reward would be with that variable implemented into the risk or the long tool? Interesting, right? Wonder why they don't have that. Anyway, so you know, in that situation, whatever, you could still sell up here, buy down here multiple times, sell up here, sell some, and then move your stop loss up, and then if it tanks, okay, you get stopped out, you win. But what you could do, right? We know the context of the situation, like an ascending triangle. We know. Look, I'm telling you, this is really good stuff you got going on here. I'm not kidding. So I digress back to this stuff, trying to get the best price. That's the measure move of the wedge, guys. Ooh, what did this do? Yeah, correction time's over, man, for power. It's found its bottom. Look at the candle wicks, or candle bodies. Look how that dump right there, that Bitcoin dump. And since then, beautiful levels of value consolidation, like a healthy coin should do. If you look left, oh, hey, there's some brick and mortar on our beach house. The bearish hurricane. We held up through the storm. That's what we did on power. Left, right here. You're okay, man. This is the beautiful price action you're looking for. A breakout of a falling wedge and you're forming accumulation to boot. Guys, this looks primed. This looks nice, man. Very interesting. Now again, Bitcoin's a variable. You gotta take into your formula. You gotta put it in there. You can be like, hey, what if Bitcoin tanks and goes to $5 tomorrow? Well, you know, power might get screwed too. So sorry guys, just write down. We got the Patreon stuff, so you know, is what it is. So hey, sweet stuff, man. Power, BDGs, man. Okay, next one was Zen. Someone's like, Zen? Is it a is it some sort of golden cross, they say? I don't know, Bitrix, man. The Americans can't trade it, man. We can't do it, man. Oh, a little late though. I mean, the run's kind of like, yeah. Well, the golden cross already happened, man. You should have talked about it 5 days ago. That's the time to talk about the golden cross, dude. 5 days ago, not now, right? Too late. Way too late. You buy here, terrible risk reward. Terrible. Hey, maybe you get some sort of bull flag, get some bullish consolidation, then we'll talk. Okay, you got to get that flag though. So you got that bearish divergence, man. I'll be buying this right now, guys. You had 5 days ago, and no one. Hey, guess what? Zen. I think someone talked about it yesterday. Like, we need trades like that, man. I'm like, what? Give me a break, man. Was Neo not good enough for you? Give me a break. Was Verge not good enough for you? We need trades like this. It's like, what? You give trades like this. You're great. Hey, man, nice breakout. Congratulations. And get a bull flag. Okay. Consolidate bullishly. Buy at the bottom of the bull flag. Get the measure move up. Be to Jesus. Go to all-time highs. Alright, that's what you should do. That's probably what you will try to do. Something like this. Boom. Same thing. Could happen. Zen is probably at this point. I mean, look, here's the thing. You had this one high, two highs, these miniature highs, but then you have this real high, and you ran up to it. That's what you do. That's when you just tank like this, when you just sell off, you have miniature swing highs. They're not very strong levels of resistance when you do move up, so you just run till you find the previous level, the previous swing high that was really strong, which is right here. And so you're at that. And so yeah, you're going to need to consolidate. Maybe we'll see some symmetry. Same type of consolidation we saw on this side. Maybe we'll see it here, right? Maybe we'll see this. All right, and then you mess around right here for a minute. Break to the upside right there. Right? Maybe you see that. We'll see what happens. We'll leave it like that, okay? Speed to Jesus, man. Zen. But, again, it's on Bitrix. That's the only exchange it's on. So if you're American, you're left with Neo. Just kidding, guys. Hey, speaking of Neo, it is time. Part 2? Y'all get my Twitter, guys? Follow me on Twitter if you're not. You should, man. You should. Round 2, I think I said. Something like that. Is Neo NXT? Is that the drug that they used on that movie, man? NXT? Somebody? Somebody? Hey, you're over on the 400. You're over this 200 moving average. Congratulations. Oh, this is interesting. Let's just extend this out and see what it does. I'm just interested, guys. Look at this, guys. So just from not deleting an old downward sloping channel that was really well respected on both sides, we didn't touch it. Look what we're doing. We use it as resistance. And look what we're doing. We're breaking back into it right now. Look, resistance. Support. Broke down. Support. Support. Isn't that crazy? Dude, we're back in this channel. Guys, that's pretty awesome. That's TA right there, man. That's pretty sweet. You couldn't break it here, man. Broke up. Nope. So, Neo, it's been a hard, long fought fight. The Bears and the Bulls, but it seems like the Bulls, they will prevail. Will you? I hope so. We watched that video, that wedge video. Remember? Okay. Anyway. Arcade, man, it's hard to say. Look, man, again, I think this is a breakaway gap. Equivalence. This is just like it. Trend got shattered. Algos are all the algos they bend the knee to the will of the institution of the whale, the whales that made this decision. So now the algos are the minions of those whales that changed the trend. Okay, that's how it works. But yeah, you do have clear levels of bearish divergence right now. There's no doubting that at all. Look. You know, you made this high, and now you're double topping. You're literally, you're breaking to higher highs now, so it's kind of like a confirmed Class A bearish divergence. Keep that in mind, okay, guys? Just keep that in mind. You know, I'm just saying. Yeah, Brian. See, I mean, you have to take that in consideration. We're making substantially lower highs than our previous highs, and we're making higher highs on our prices than our previous highs. So, but sometimes, man, sometimes it's just, we'll see. Look, we're hitting that 618. That's the initial profit taking level. Swing high up here to swing low. This was where we sold off the first time, but now, what was the difference? Last time, we were already pumped. We had not consolidated. We ran from the bottom to the top. Remember, guys? I remember. Great area to buy, right? Consolidated. Now we're running again, and the 618 is a clear level of resistance. Look, right here. You can see us touching it. See that? It's real, man. Not a myth. Market makers, bots, algos looking at the same thing we're looking at right now on the screen. So, yeah, man. See if you can break this way. And what I was saying, the difference is we came and we wicked up and touched this. We were like, the sweet touch of the 200 moving average, and then dropped, and we never saw it again until now. We wicked right here too, and now we're just busting through it. $20 hours straight. 20 hours straight. I guess it's like what, 17 hours straight because you have 3 hours left on this candle right here. So we've been running for an hour now on this candle, like beautifully. It's hard to say, man. That bearish divergence makes me a little skeptical, but also we got wonderful stuff going on. Hey, Sean. Sean, thanks so much for the follow on Twitch, man. You Jesus, dude. We can do that. You can get questions about TS in the chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much, Sean. You Jesus, man. So, there's multiple things to think about, right? As a trader, you're going to have those things. You got to do some critical thinking. Double toppy stuff, but double bottomy stuff. If you were in our Patreon, we talked about this being a buy area. It was down here when we posted in the Patreon. We said this is buy here. Set a stop loss a little lower than this wick, and we hope you took heed of that in the Patreon, because here you are, man, right? There you are. How many subs? I don't know. I think what are we at on our main YouTube page? Because that's what it is, guys. Our main YouTube page is the metric we use for Viking Night. Okay, this YouTube page could be, you know, it's like probably most of all our subs over there. So. Wings cross 100 MA and 200 next spoke too soon. 2050, 100, 200. Yep, for sure. Okay. Man, Donovan, it's hard to say, dude. Yeah, here it would seem like you could run to higher highs still with this and be fine. And what could happen is you would just, maybe when you run to higher highs, after, you know, I think you're going to break this and keep going. And eventually, because you have this and you're starting to get to that 70 area, that 69 kappa area of RSI, you'll be able to get up here, get over bot again when you keep moving with this, and then you'll form some sort of bullish consolidation, reset your RSI, reset everything, and then make another move up a little later. That's what I think Winnie's going to do. But we'll see. We'll set an alert up. Maybe we can theory crafting, guys. Theory crafting, the TA. This, man. This is very, very telling right here. Very, very telling, this volume. So, we'll see, man. I love this music, guys. I hope you're enjoying the music too, guys. Okay, that's Neo. Got an alert set up. Be the Jesus, man. Be the real Jesus, man. Tronics. It is time. Okay, falling, beautiful textbook falling wedge. Couldn't make it better yourself. You got your 5 touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. We finally confirmed to make this 5, and then right after we made 5, we broke out of it. We've hooked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times off of that. 5. Candle, candle, candle. Bullish engulfing candle. Are you kidding me, man? Higher lows than our previous lows. Are you kidding me, man? Rising wedge or falling wedge? Come on, dude. Oh, also, not only that, give me a break, man. Class A, bullish divergence. You made a low here. You made a lower low. Here you are, man. Bullish divergence. Class A, purest form. We posted this last night. It hadn't gone anywhere. Since, I mean, we posted it when this started happening. This is about to close. We posted it, and this is fine. This is completely fine. These take time, man. They really do. They take time. 3-day long bullish consolidation development. 3 days. This started yesterday, last night. It's not even been 24 hours. The pattern develops over 3 days. The trade can sometimes happen in a day, but it hasn't. It's been less than a day, so. Okay. Tronics, that's it, man. Your target's 50%, 618. If you had a measured move, it's really insane. A really insane measured move, which is 653. Just saying, that's what's on the chart, okay? TA speaking to us. When the TA speaks to us, we just try to decipher what it says, and I try to articulate it to you, fine folks. That's all I'm doing, okay? So, not much more to talk about. You know why else? Why we also like this? Because this is a certified, confirmed bull trend, man. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, over and over and over. You're breaking down here. You're bouncing off this double bottoming off the 200 MA, confirming your bullish presence. That's what you're doing, man. Okay. This is rejecting a breakdown. Your buyers held this. They kept it going. The nice spike on news to keep it rolling, man. To make sure that we didn't fall. So that's it, man. You stay above 475, you're still bullish. Right over here. Actually, let's move this up a little bit. It's actually like right here, man. Oh, that's like 493. Ooh. Man, you don't want to fall below that area. That's insane. Anyway, 493 is your be scared place. Or 488, excuse me. 493 is our stop loss. So, this is moon music. Hope it's not too loud, guys. Is that a golden cross forming on Tron? No. We've already done that, remember? We did that back here. This is the golden cross, the 50 cross, the 200. Donovan, see? This was March 24th. Let's go to the daily and check that out. Where's our MAs here? Do we even have a 200 MA? Oh, the music stopped, man. Dude, come on, dude. No way, don't do that. Okay, we're good. 200 MA. Am I crazy? What? Does Tron not have a 200 MA? I guess not. It's saying NA, not applicable or not available. What's it doing? Dude, there's no way. This has been around as long as Verge, man. Something's wrong, man. Maybe not. I guess we don't. Well, I guess we don't have that metric, so that's why the 4 hour is so important for crypto, because there's no 200 MA on the 1 day. 6 hour? 6 hour, you got your golden cross. The 28th of March, there's your golden cross. 6 hour. That's all you can do, man. So, alright. Sorry, they don't even know. Alright, guys, we're sticking by it, man. I mean, look. If you lose on this trade, you can't be mad at yourself. You did all you could do. You looked at your histogram. You saw the beautiful Class A bullish divergence. You saw a wedge. You recognized a pattern. You broke out of the pattern. You used the previous level resistance as support 5 freaking times. You bounced off the 50 MA. You're above the 20 MA and the 50 MA, and you're in a bullish trend. How can you be mad at yourself if this doesn't work out? How? How could you be mad? You can't be. Don't ever let a failed trade mess with your confidence as a trader, guys. Don't ever let it happen. That's it. Gonna take a look at chat. We've been just rolling through these, man. My God. Been rolling, man. I was doing a pretty good job of mixing it back and forth, though, looks like. Yeah, possibly everything crypto. Probably, man. That dump will probably be nuts. But hey, man, can't get mad at us for doing TA and saying that the golden cross came and happened, and you've seen what happened since that golden cross in the 4 hour, man. Okay, everything's a cup and handle, man. Did you not know? Everything in life is a cup and handle. Everything. Look, man. A cup and handle, man. A cup and handle. Man, everything crypto. You wish you found me 2 months ago, dude. Man, I wish you did too, man. 2 months ago. That was our first content creation video. Was two months and 2 days ago. At this point, 2-month anniversary a couple days ago, guys. So look how we've grown so much in these past couple months. You know, we were built, born, and molded in a bear market. Everyone else, they've only experienced the bear market. We were born and molded in the bear market. I would hate to leave Neo over the dump. What do you mean you'd hate to leave Neo over the dump? Oil, I know, Jonathan. Oh, I need to do it, man. I have WD-40. I just don't know where to spray. I don't know where it's going to get in the crevices. Kappa. Is Bitcoin a buy if the 50-week moving average is holding it at this price? In corrections, man, those simple moving averages can get wrecked. I honestly think that's why we're having trouble tanking. That's why I think that we've seen a pause in the selling because of that 50-week moving average. Okay, that's just, and Colby and me were talking about it, so yeah, it's interesting. It's a very interesting thing going on with Bitcoin, guys. It's wow, we missed. I need to get an alert or something. Need to get an alert, okay, guys. You're local on the 8s. Bitcoin to the US dollar. We want to do it like this. Currently, Bitcoin is 66 degrees with a dew point of 50% retrace on the Fibonacci swing high to swing low. Your forecast is bearish. Alright, something like that. So, no, I mean, you're still well within this area. You're making these lows, then highs, lows. You're just moving up, which you keep doing this. I mean, it gets better and better for the bulls. I mean, you're just going to come back up here, probably touch this 50% again. Once again, man. Once a freaking again. You're not even coming down close at this point. Look, you're staying above this heart line. A lot of strength right there, man. A lot of strength. Just take a gallon of WD-40 and pour it all over the entire shirt. That'd be good, man. Then just sit down with my shirt on, right? With this button down. I like ruining shirts. Yeah, look, you need to think about it like this. This is kind of how I thought about it. So when Bitcoin tanks, like the day it tanks, and it's consolidating and it's stopped kind of tanking, you're finding some levels of support. You're not able to fall to these lower lows. You're staying around this area, right? When it's hitting those levels, the big sell is done. Start looking to get your toes back in the water. You're like, okay, you were in the basement and the bearish tornado happened, and you're like, okay, the tornado just happened. So now it's time to run out and try to buy and sell, okay? Because we know the storm is going to start revving up because we're going to start going through bullish consolidation, right? So you're like, okay, when we start getting really well developed in our bearish patterns, maybe that's the time to start after we're done with those trades, get out of them, right? Think about it like that. But then, you know, we're seeing on altcoins, I just think that it seems correlation does not mean causation. I think when Bitcoin was tanking and all the alts were tanking, it was just because they were in the same synchronized correction mode. Now these alts, do you notice how Verge doesn't care at all about Bitcoin? But remember, when Verge was in correction mode, it very much cared what Bitcoin did. But maybe it wasn't that it cared what Bitcoin was doing. Maybe it was just doing its own thing. Maybe it was just selling off. Look, when the charts tell us trends have reversed, I mean, look, ICX, a couple other ones, Link, I remember them. They weren't completely trend reversed yet. They were just breaking up. They were breaking out to the upside, and they didn't have any confirmation of a confirmed bull trend reversal. And so when Bitcoin tanked and you don't have confirmation, you're going to tank, right? So, but when you get that confirmation, those consistent higher highs and higher lows from your previous highs, then maybe you're not so affected. Tron hasn't been affected by any of this crap. Tron, Verge, the meme coins that were so bad when Bitcoin's tanked, they weren't affected by this or this. Nothing. Unaffected, unbent, unbroken. Okay? Maybe you think about it like that. A little bit of TA philosophy for you tonight, right? Hope that helps, guys, to think about it like that. You're thinking 1,050 sats? What, for Verge, maybe? Be a heck of a drop, right? Still would be very high. Wind machine. So we'll see, man. We'll see. Okay. You're just bouncing along, showing some strength, but you're still just having issues breaking this area. So don't be fooled. Do not be fooled. If you're just getting like, I don't know, forming a rising wedge yet? Yeah. Guys, are we forming a wedge yet? Are we there yet on the wedge? Maybe? What do we do like that, man? Hey man, we got a wedge. Look, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch. Just outside of the box way of thinking about it, maybe, right? I doubt it though. Probably freaking no way. Right? Are we crazy? Is this crazy to think? Oops. Is it crazy to think about like this, man? I don't know. What if we do it like that? Does that look insane? Stuart, Windows, guys? Does this look crazy, y'all? I don't know, man. I'm just thinking, dude. It might be completely off base. Might be foul for us. But we're just, look, man, we're just trying to decipher this crazy amount of consolidation we've got going on. It could be either or, right? Just have fun messing around, guys. Think outside the box as a TA guy or girl. You know, guy or girl, doesn't matter. So, you know, no real divergence going on, okay? Because you're not making any positive momentum yet. You're just now finally hitting positive momentum, and we're gonna see what happens. No divergence. So could completely just break to the upside, man. Show me it happened. Okay, Litecoin. Get a little bit more vision with Litecoin, maybe. I don't know, man. We'll see. Look at that. Beautiful touch. Beautiful. Coming straight back up. Nice. Little double bottom stuff. Break to the upside. 115, and then your bottoms. That's $2. $2, man. Whatever, dude. That margin of error is just not there for a trade. I mean, you can if you're really like day trading or something, but see, there's no divergence because you're making a higher low than your previous low. I'm sure Ethereum's probably breaking back to the upside too now because of that. So about the same kind of chart. So you can see zoomed out, we're going lateral, okay? Not going up or down in our trend. We're very, very paused in our overall trend. You can see. Double bottom stuff. And you're technically making higher lows than your previous lows. It's always a good sign. It's always stuff you want to see, okay? So, here's your range, your 124 to 110 area. You've just been bound to it except for this one time, and that was that wedge pattern, remember? And that was I think that was the bearish cipher. That was the bearish cipher pattern for Bitcoin, this kind of tankage. So, alright guys, let's go to Ethereum. And look, you're approaching that resistance. Big resistance over here, right? This is back February 20th, this high. And you've not been able to break that since, right? Resistance. So we'll see what happens. You're below 50 on the RSI as well. So let's go to Ethereum. Might be scary now. I don't know if I like that. Look at this range, man. Look. Oh, man. Got a bullish engulfing candle going on right now. It's scary for the short, right? Scary stuff. So, like Bitcoin, you kind of got that double, triple top stuff. You can see, I'm going to move it over just a little bit so you can see where the wicks are. Right. So, yeah, we got 2 hours and 47 minutes, so anything's possible. Could just wake up here, test this level again if you want to. We had this bearish divergence, really, really bad. You're hitting triple. Let me show you from here to here. Because you're double topping now, confirming another level of bearish divergence. Okay. Class B, bearish divergence. And here you had Class A, bearish divergence. Remember what happened when you had the Class A? Boom, you tanked. But now with Class B, bearish divergence. Let's see what happens if you can hold up. I mean, it'd be contradicting the TA if you broke to higher prices and confirmed and stayed up here. It'd be very much contradicting the TA. So, I mean, this is an insane level of resistance up here. I mean, if you're wrong, if you're short here and you're wrong, you weren't wrong for taking this trade. This is an incredible trade right here to short up here. Your risk is so low compared to your reward down here. Look, history. Multiple every time. Here, here, and here. Okay, I'm just saying. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Sure, we can just keep running. Okay, just keep running. Great, get stomped out. You didn't lose much at all. But you can't be mad at yourself because you took a nice risk to reward trade. So that's Ethereum. So that's it, guys. Guys, we actually have. I'm gonna scroll through chat real quick. QLC is breaking above the falling wedge. Cayenne Marco, write it down, man. QLC. Didn't we have that? No, that was QSP, guy. QSP might have a reversal. QLC. God. Sounds like that, what was that? QVC, that channel? We should maybe call it QLC, QVC channel coin. Dude, they finally did it, guys. Rising wedge and bear flag are, yeah, man, for sure. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. I mean, they're self-fulfilling. It's that bottom trend line that's really the most important, right? When you break that neckline or that trend line, it can be really nasty. So Bitcoin's going to explode when no one expects. Look, the way I'm seeing it right now, the way it's just not tanking yet after all this day now or more of consolidation makes me think we might break to the upside to try to attempt to, I don't know. I mean, we're at 50% retrace right now of that nasty move down we saw, right? So please look at Bitcoin 30-minute moving average. What kind of moving average, man? What minute? Let me know, man. Soares will have to take extra blood pressure meds because he'll be laughing so hard. Look, guys, think about it. All those desperate FOMO, the FOMO babies, because the FOMO was the mother, right? The FOMO, you were born as a FOMO baby, and that's what we call it, the mother of all FOMOs, right? Yeah, Soros is like your Batman. It's not because you did the wrong thing buying into this FOMO. He's not the hero you want. He's the hero you deserve to get us out of this rut, right? George Soros is Batman, guys. It's confirmed. Class A Batman. IOTA, Michael? Oh, Michael, it's IOTA. Oh, that was our little kept secret, huh? Just kidding, we did a video on it today.
Winter here is ruthless.
30-minute candle? No, but this one's
Cased in snow.
EDX to BNB. Interesting, Jonathan. ADA to bed and breakfast coin. So the American Dental Association to bed and breakfast coin. Got it. We'll do it, man. We'll do it. All right, let's run a QLC first. No, we'll just do Bitcoin, I guess, while we're still in the look on the AIDS.
Thickly insulated Eurasian wolves shrug off the cold.
Having issues with the 200, really bad. Can't break it. Having big issues. You want to talk about some serious diamond top stuff? I mean, look, come on, we're just playing around here. Seriously, just playing around. But, right, man, I don't know, something like this. This is probably completely wrong. We're just messing around, right? Something like that. I don't know, man. Just kidding. It's I don't know, that kind of, is that invert? You can't have an inverse head and shoulders after a move up, okay? I don't know, man, that pattern's weird. Really, really weird, choppy pattern. You're just talking about the, just having so many issues with that 200, right? That's what you're saying, I hate Windows. So let me know, man. We're gonna go to QLC. Yep, we'll get 80X's on there, man. There's your QLC, there's your trade, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right there, man. Wonderful range, right? See this? Had these two areas, you came down, you touched this area, boom. That was your trade. Should have bought. Could have bought here. Sell up here. Almost a target, right? On your trade. That's it, man. I talked about layering, buying here and here. Nothing wrong with buying 2 different times. So, you know why you want to get out? You really want to know why you sell up at the top and you don't let it ride? Because your histogram, man. Bearish divergence, man. Bearish divergence, like the yin-yang, man. Okay? Even if you come up here, you're still making a lower high than your previous high. So, something to think about, man. Over 50. That's how these things work, man. It'll come up here, pumpy dumpy. So yeah, multiple buying opportunities down here. Okay, that's it. That's QLC, man. What were you saying about what it was doing on QLC? Someone was asking about it. I guess I didn't catch it, man. So we'll check it out later. Mob says SRN. I think we saw something looking good maybe with SRN. Guys, if you're enjoying this live stream, this TA, this education, this fun we're having, this philosophy, hit that like button, hit that bell, hit that sub. If you're on Twitter, or no, if you're on Twitter, follow me. Right, Lord Red 23. And also, if you're on Twitch, hit that follow button. Thanks for being here, guys. Really appreciate y'all. Yo, Jesus, man. And of course, I have to, for some reason, have to refresh this manually. Is there any way to make it to where I don't have to manually refresh my freaking view count up there? It's so stupid. So, okay, man. Oh, there you go. You're like right at target. Will you hit it? This is target, man. What if you don't hit it? That would suck so bad. Oh my god. If you're like watching it live, you might as well just get out. Just like cancel your limit sell and just sell, market sell. Not really market sell, just limit sell at 1850, 1860, whatever. It's just too close. Alright. So, IOTA, yeah, man, I want y'all to see something. Okay. Hey, Patreon, did you buy? Did you buy? Hello? I gave you the perfect opportunity to buy IOTA. Bullish Gartley pattern, harmonic like the Jesus Men. Textbook. Hello? Did you buy this? Thank you, Rory. Heck yeah, man. I'm glad you bought it. Glad you bought it, dude. That's why we do it, right? Good, Dima. Good. So, first target, 886. Second target, 1272. 17,801. Look, we were a little concerned, just a little bit, and I wasn't really concerned about it, just because of the pattern, the harmonic pattern. You don't mess with the harmonic pattern. This is when you start going long. You start going long around these areas. When we started breaking this area, that's when I knew. I was like, oh yeah, it's coming. It's coming. So, we shattered this little trend line we had, right? Making higher levels of positive momentum. Let's just keep it going. It's not over yet. We could top or make higher highs on it. So just watch it, man. POA and Neo. Boom. 3 different ones, Michael. Dude, making money, dude. Making money. Oh yeah, Garreton? Heck yeah, man. Well, the difference though is Bitcoin hasn't started moving up. You want to start going long at certain areas in this pattern. Your long areas around this area here. So, but wonderful, guys, wonderful. Keep it rolling like to Jesus, man. Okay. That's it. There's not much more to talk about with IOTA besides incredible textbook bullish Gartley pattern. HypedOnCrypto.com. If you want trade alerts like this, join our Patreon. TGD for Aked's call. Yeah, of course. Of course, we'll go there. We can go there right after this. That's fine. DGD. That was like the third coin we were looking at, right? DGD. Jules wants ADA again, Neo, and IOTA. Jules, I read your mind, man. Here we are, dude. We made it. We're at IOTA. You to Jesus, man. Or were you saying you're in those? You're in those trades or something like that? I don't. All right. So congratulations on IOTA. If you got in at the best levels, which was down here, we were down at these levels when I posted this, so could have gotten that bullish candle right there, man. Missed out on some nice profit. Something's changed. Something's going on. Let's go to DGD real quick for the Wedge Lord Jesus, man. Fuckhead. What's going on with it? Can someone what were we saying, Akehead, man? Hey, Keyboard P, man. Thanks so much for the follow on Twitch, man. You Reggie, so we can do that, man. You can question about TSM Gem Discord, man. Thanks so much, Keyboard P. Alright. I mean, Jompa. Singles? Nah, is it even on TradingView? Garrison, man, there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Let's get a little confirmation on it. It's look, there's something going on. I think that 50-week moving average on BTC is making us stall in the selling, and hey, who knows? You just have to wait and see. It's funny, people saying 4K, 20,000 or 28,000 when they're talking like they have no technical analysis to back it up. The real TA is going to tell you they don't really know the midterm outlook because there are too many variables at play for us to be so speculative, okay? We can look at the next things about to happen. We're pretty good about that, right? Pretty good about the long term too, looking at the overall chart, right? Bullish, higher highs, higher lows still. Even when you're down here tanking, you're still much higher lows than your previous lows. Long term, great looking coin, but that midterm, and I've made this analogy before. What was that Ring of Fire, Reign of Fire, that dragon movie where they take over the earth, and the dragons, they say they have incredible vision during the day, but it's even better at night. But when it's dusk, they're pretty much blind. That's literally the same analogy as TA. You have really good vision during the day. You have even better vision at night. But when it becomes midterm stuff, midterm like 3 to 5, 6 months, you're almost blind. Okay, that's TA. What happened to chat, man? Did it break? Or did you just stop typing? I don't know. Hello? My god, man. I'm looking at that jar. Just to maximize my OBS on one of my screens. It's insane, dude. I don't ever want to clear it, man. Whoa, we got, hey, Marshall, man. Thank you so much for the pledge on the Patreon, man. You do what Jesus, dude. We couldn't do that shit. We do everything in my power to get you the value you seek. Thanks, brother. So, I hate Windows. Sorry, sorry, guys. I'm here at DGD, and no one's talking to me, man. No, everyone's like, what are you talking about, man? Okay. Well, there you go, man. Let's go to 88 of B&B. Someone requested. Aw, 88 of B&B got trolled, man. There is no 88 of B&B on. Hello. You asked if we are here? Where are we, man? Scrolling up, I don't see what you said before. Oh, 20 MA crosses the 50. That's on the 30-minute, man. That's very insignificant. It doesn't mean much at all. That just means something in the short term. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick, just for you. I hate Windows, just so we can put the matter to bed of whatever, you know, if you had a question or anything. Let's see. 30-minute you're talking about, and you're saying what were we talking about? Nothing's crossing out. I don't see anything crossing. 20 across the 50. That's, and I know like we have that lag and stuff, so we're not able to. Oh my god. I gotta get another monitor, man. I hate Windows. I just saw your message, man. Oh, lord. Alright, so anyway. Oh, 80X to BNB. Ah, 1 hour. Okay, I hate Windows. That's a bad thing. Wait, no, that's a good thing. It's a good thing. But again, we'll see. I mean, yeah, that's you could keep running up if this cross happens. It's boding well for ye. But we'll see, man. Yeah, let's remember, there are probably. Let's go to the real quick. Let's do this, guys. Okay. We'll look at ADX. Don't worry about that. Let's do this. Bitcoin US dollar shorts chart. Wow. You thought this happened, right? But it didn't. Rising wedge, crazy rising wedge pattern. We're seeing all-time highs on Bitcoin shorts, guys. You think this can sustain? This is perspective, guys. This is why you're here. Unreal. It doesn't even make sense. The shorting involved. You can't even chart this. You have a wedge within a wedge. Or a wedge without a wedge, man. Look, dude, you got a wedge within a wedge that's out. It's outside of a wedge that's outside of a wedge now. What is that? Slapping TA in the face, guys. Just laughing at it. Maybe it's like this, man. Maybe it's like a wedge within a wedge outside of a wedge, man. Or something. I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Can't even do that. Not even enough touch points. This, Pablo, this is the Bitcoin to US dollar shorts, man. Wedgeception? Yeah, pretty much, man. We're living in a dream world. Exactly. All-time freaking highs. Wedging up on up there, dude. And you like barely, I mean, you do have it. You have Class A bearish divergence, meaning we're probably due for a pop. A drop for this chart, but the fact that you're not even that, it's significant, but it's not like you could, just don't know, man. Well, so we'll do something with our fibs, maybe. Yep, Andromeda Galaxy, man. Swing high to swing low. We are past the Andromeda Galaxy with Bitcoin shorts. This is it. The 1618, the golden ratio, the golden mean. Okay. Next target, 2618. No wonder we had capitulation on Bitcoin shorts. I don't even know what to tell y'all, man. That's scary stuff. Wow. Just remember, you know what this looks like to me? This looks like a bunch of FOMO. Short FOMO. Interesting. The shorts are FOMOing, guys. It's time to get ready for maybe a turnaround. Like, not kidding. Like, this kind of stuff's very telling. This could extend on for a little bit longer, maybe. Could keep going, man. But I'm just saying, like, keep in mind, FOMO is setting in on the Bitcoin shorts. Hope you take that away today from the stream. We were talking about something, what? If you don't understand how TA on shorts works, think about it like you're borrowing a coin from an exchange and saying it's at that level, right? It's pretty much inverse buying. It's a contract, right? It's like you promise to, you know, buy it at a lower level, essentially, and the exchange says okay. And then if it goes up, you lose money. If it goes down, you make money. That's it. It's like what's buying. It's called short selling. So it's like you're selling, right? And when you close your position, you're buying back. Okay, covering your short. Thanks everything, Crypto Man. Love your support, man. Would appreciate it, dude. Y'all are Jesus, man. All y'all. Y'all are freaking unreal, man. The support and contributions tonight have been quite humbling, okay? Quite humbling. Just can't believe it, man. So happy, guys. You made me very happy. Just wanted to look at ADX to BNB real quick. Never looked at this in my life. Never, man. Not once. This is history, guys. I've never seen this. Yeah, I mean, I get it. Maybe, you know, you're like, oh man, it's bottoming, but nah, man. Like, you know what I'm drawing, right? Rising wedge, Kappa, not Kappa at all. No Kappa-ing allowed. What else would it be, man? Still that, or this. It doesn't matter. It's a rising wedge after a downtrend. And here's the other thing, okay? Now, you're touching a pretty key level of resistance, your first one. It's a previous high, you broke, well, you got this high too, so you're breaking that previous high. You also have to, and here's another one, another previous high is right here, so that also has to be broken, and you're unable to even close your candle bodies above this one, so you're gonna be within this little zone, this resistance zone. If you can break that, then we'll talk. If you break this zone, you should quite possibly run all the way up to these areas up here. So that's ADX to BNB, maybe right here. Maybe a target you could break and hold this 52.37 Satoshi level. But you know, you got big problems. I know you're not. When you do, if you do double top, you're making insanely diverging pattern, right? If you double top here, you're making class B bearish divergence, like really bad bearish divergence. So get a rising wedge, and if you do attempt to double top, as soon as you hit that double top, it's confirmed bearish divergence. We already know what's going to happen. If it even if it breaks to higher highs, then all of a sudden it's class A bearish divergence. Then it's your strongest form. So you're screwed here. ADX has no outs. Not only that, all-time lows. Hey, this is like inverse ONT, guys. Guys, inverse ONT coin, guys. Heck yeah, man. Congratulations on your inverse ONT. SRN was requested. Wait, guys, remember? Inverse Drake song? God, man, I swear, these coins. You can't scale them, you double click, it goes back to the little you know, line because of this freaking crazy skews it really bad. Inverse Drake song though, guys. Let's see if we can do something. Aha! Hitting a clear level of resistance. Interesting. That's nice. That's really pretty. I really like that. Yeah, you hit that level of resistance really hard and having issues now. Now we did break a previous high. How long that'll hold, who knows? Okay, hold above this, you're gonna get squeezed in here. You're gonna run out of room. You'll break to the upside or downside real soon. Right? It's not good though. Not only did you hit this clear level of resistance, you also touched this 200 MA and dropped. So, right, pinpoint accurate. Whoa, that's not pinpoint accurate at all. Wow, that's off. Oh, I think it's because of down here. Okay, that's right. So, adjust. There you go. There you go. That's perfect, man. Now that. Whoa. Now, wait. Now we have to do this, man. Okay. All right. Now we are perfect, and we're not even close. Okay. So, hold above this level. Establish some support. Consolidation. Okay. I mean, you're not, you don't have divergence, so that's good. You got that going for you. You know, when you came up here, you didn't make higher levels. Wow, right here though. Jeez, dude. You could easily say right here we do. Jeez. Wow. Look at that. Severe levels of bearish divergence, right? You get this high here, then you make a higher high, and you got a 1/4 of the level of positive momentum after that. It's not good, man. But maybe if something happens where you could not tank, which you probably could very easily, like a joke. I mean, hey man, let's pop up, dude. Yeah, we did it. Maybe you pop up here again, false breakout and tank and see lower prices, like you're doing mimicry. You're like, we've seen this before. We falling for it this time? I don't know, man. It's SRN, Inverse Drake song, still. You know, in order to really overall change this trend, you got a couple of levels of adversity right here. You got to break that level, that 5179, and then guess what after that? You got multiple levels. So you got a mini boss and then the big boss right here. That's one right there. And then we're not going to plot that one yet. Okay, so we could just, I guess, do a fib if you wanted to. Swing high, swing low. Swing low to swing high. Let's do that. Should we do it here or here? Let's do it here to here. So you got your bib extensions. Yeah, a couple of that 1414. Now we're back above the 1272. So, man. No bueno, man. No bueno. Sorry. That's a SRN for you. B&B Cup and Handle, says Michael Deland. Man, I know what you're talking about. I don't know if it's Cup and Handle. It could be self-fulfilling. All I know is we've hit a level of resistance to our all-time highs, and maybe we're consolidating now. And maybe that's good enough. Maybe we form a bull pull, bull flag, and we make a measure move up, right? So, I don't know, Cup and Handle. It's nothing like IOST. IOST was the most beautiful cup and handle of the season, of the correction season. B&B to BTC. I thought we did that. Nah, man. That's no cup and handle. No way, man. Let's just say we're at all-time highs. Bull pull, bull flag action. If we can break to the upside, my God. Let's go to the 1 day real quick. Man, it's hard to say. This is your bull pull, bull flag. You can't consider that that was a bull pull itself and a flag, and then you have a new bull pull flag on the daily. So you'd have to measure here. You couldn't do it down here. So probably right here. Honestly, you probably want to just do that. It's 35.89. So your measure move if you broke out here ever, if you did. Dang, man. There you go, right there. Measure move right there, dude. There it is. 21,870. That's it, man. But yeah, we're on the 1 day right now. I'm looking at the 1 day, and this is nah, man. Cup and handles will come after a downtrend. Okay, downtrend cup and handle. Yeah, man. Remember, like, all this news and stuff, right? We had news. It's not like a technical thing. It was just pumpy pump. Just fine, because people are, hey, maybe finally finding value in it. I'm glad they are. I love it. It's a great long-term play. Intrinsic value, BNB to Jesus coin, man. Of intrinsic value, it actually does something and provides a service that helps people. Oh my God, service that helps people. That's crazy talk in crypto world. All they do is talking about helping people, and talk about making announcements about announcements, right? Kappa. What's up with EOS and Bitcoin, man? EOS? Guys, I'm about to wrap it up, man. We've been going way over. We've been going 2 hours and 44 minutes. Y'all kept me energized. Breaking back in. You're breaking back into this little wedge pattern we had. Wow. But will you hold? You got 2 hours and 15 minutes before you know. But you formed a wedge pattern outside of a wedge pattern. We'll see if you can hold this, man. If you do, then you can maybe when you break out and go back into it, and then you in your next candle you want to hook off this previous level of resistance that we had. Use it as support again, and then get back into wedge and break to the upside, and you can see 100,000 potentially. I mean, honestly, we've talked about it. 97,000 was one, but remember what we did talk about? You break this level, you have a real good chance of running all the way to 105. We documented it. We said it a billion times throughout our live streams. You break these resistances, you run to the next level of real resistance, which is high, way up here. So, sure, Michael. Anytime, man. On the road to see my parents, Stuart. Man, be careful out there. Don't let my TA hurt you, man. Distract you. So look, guys, it's been a wonderful evening. I can't even begin to thank y'all for all the contributions. It's just, look, this is going to be reinvested into the stream, okay? Provide you better and better content, you know? We've made incredible strides in this 2-month period in our content quality production. So, look, just want to give a shout out. Hey, Jigga with a G, thanks for that $5 contribution. Ruri, thank you for the single largest one-time contribution in bits in the history of this stream. That 10,000 bits, that's a benchmark that I don't think anyone will ever surpass. So thank you, Ruri, for that. Emerus, 300 bits, man. Thanks so much, you Jesus, man. I Hate Windows with 900 bits. Thank you so much, brother, over there in Germany. Dende, the Spirit Healing Jesus, man. 3,500 bits, man. Broza, 215 bits. Colin, the Patreon pledge. Thanks, Colin, for joining, guy. Cayenne Marco, 300 bits. Thank you so much, dude, for that. Really appreciate you. Jules Santana with 7,000 bits tonight. Are you kidding me, Jules? You Jesus, man. Thanks so much, dude. I really am appreciative, and I am grateful and humbled. Barack, man. Barack with 1,000 bits, man. Colby with that 469 Kappa. Thanks, brother. Hold it down in Georgia for me, man. Then John Coombs with that $10 contribution, man. Y'all are freaking incredible. Y'all keep me driven. Y'all keep me going. Just keep tuning in. I'm telling you, things are starting to turn around. You can kind of feel it in the air. I'm telling you, these huge candles. If you're a Patreon, check out that tip of the week. Okay, check out that tip of the week. It'll help you a lot. It's a very valuable lesson. So, anytime, Dende, you know, you're very welcome for that, man. And it's, I'm gonna keep doing that. Okay, so just keep tuning in, and we're gonna keep getting through this crypto world together, man. So infant stages of crypto, okay? Infant stages. So let's keep it going, man. Right? So guys, while it has been so fun, I must bid adieu. Okay, and so until next time, stay hyped.